My name is Hars. My father's name is Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board. Recently, I have completed my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so we are present here for the group discussion. Today's topic is GST. First of all, we should know about the GST. GST means Goods and Services Tax. GST is an initiative of a government like One Nation, One Tax. GST is the compilation of all kind of taxes like excise and service tax. It comes into the prominence in 2000 and after 17 years it has been implemented on 1st July 2017. From that day, 1st July should be known for the GST day. As we know, every topic has its own pros and cons. First of all, I would like to tell you about the pros of this topic. There are many kinds of people who does not pay taxes, but after the implementation of the GST, they all are paying taxes. Sometimes it increases the revenue of government. And government use it from health sector for the good, for make good the health sector and many other sector. Sometimes it would be I would like to
enough. Good afternoon everyone. My name is SSC CGL. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katiyar. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading newspaper, reading novels and reading books. Today topic is given to me is GST. GST is a goods and service tax. It is the idea of GST had been applied first in France. Since 2017, it has been implemented in India. It is an indirect tax paid by consumers. As we know, every coin has two sides. First, we will see its pros. Due to GST, revenue will get the big boost, and logistic and inventory cost will be decreasing due to GST, and it is also going to be promote Make in India initiative. And on the other hand, we see the service tax in India was 15%. Due to GST, it will be increasing up to 18 to 20%, and other retail products as garments and clothes, GST was 4%. With GST, it will be more costlier, and it will be going, and GST affect the center and state government relation, and attract. GST is a good thing for everyone, but same time our government should make correction with good steps, so every man and every kind of person makes our life simpler.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Amir Sohel. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Itmadpur, Post district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teach us square deal manner. I am good learner and listener. I am positive and hardworking. My hobbies are playing cricket and football. I like to read motivational historical books. Friend, the topic given to us for the discussion is GST, means Goods Services Tax. It is a tax when any person consume any goods or do any service, they paid some extra money, which called tax. After before the GST, when GST not come, there are some rule of the tax. Rule of the tax, for the example, when we are buy any good which made in our state, then we paid a normal money. But any goods come from another state, we paid highly money. But after the coming of GST, we pay, this rule is destroyed, and this is a great result. And after the coming of GST, the growth rate of our economic increased by leaps and bounds, and it's help for developing our country. And in last, I am saying that it is good when GST come, and every rule want to improvement with the passage of time. My suggestion for the government is that government should improve the rule of GST, that person decrease the extra burden.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Rithi Sachan. I hail from Manchester of India, Kanpur. My father name is Mr. Sati Sachan. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing song and playing an outdoor game. And I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier, and I give an adventurous life, and I give the equality to the all sector boys. Now I am going to speak about the very changeable actions which is taken by our government as a GST. As we know that our government was doing a lot of work to implement the GST in our country, and since 2002. But now we see that GST happened in our country in 2017. What is the GST? GST is giving the equality to the all taxes in a whole over the country. As we know that we are finding the one place, and GST gives the one place to human in our country. As we know that the GST also change the relation of the central and state. As we know that if the state is manufacturing the anything, if the state is buying the out of the state, I think state will not find any tax of that goods, and the central will be find the all taxes. I think this is a good, because the central will find the money, and the central will improve the condition of economic. They can improve the condition of the all sectors where we can find the backward areas and the other poor areas. The central can give the money to improve the condition. And we know that if the goods is buying at a state, then state can find a half of the tax. I think it is also good for the state. State also can improve the condition of ourselves. I think it is good. But in this time we are seeing that many backward areas, villages, the real price are not finding the human. The shopkeepers giving the much higher price, not giving the real price to him. But I am saying that if we are responsible, if we are taking a place that we are asking to the shopkeeper to give the real price, give the real tax, then it will be a very affected to our life, and it will be change our life. I think it will be improve the condition of economic our country. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Amir Sohel. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my 10+2 exam from UP board. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am physically fit and mentally sound. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society. It's no reservation and no discriminative based on religion, caste, color. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. Now we come to the topic GST. GST means goods and service tax. It is an indirect tax paid by consumer when they use or consume any goods or service. First time there was discussion on GST in Parliament on 2000, but it was fully implemented in India on 1st July 2017. And now, whenever we buy or consume any goods or service, we pay GST. As it is said that every coin has two sides, so same here, somewhere it is useful and somewhere it is also bothers us. So now I discuss its benefit. GST is the best source of government, and thus money provides growth in our country.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. Now I tell about my education. I have done my BSc first standard from Kanpur University. Now I am pursuing for Indian Air Force. Now I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and rising in the morning. The positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to serve the nation, I want to join the Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is GST. GST is a indirect tax which is applicable on the consumers. When we consume any things from, we will have to pay GST. It is the biggest tax reform till it is the biggest tax reform in India till now. If every coin has two positive and negative. If I talk about its pros, at the present there are different tax rates in different states, but due to GST the tax rate will be equal in throughout the country, and GST is a global tax. With implementation of GST, India will gain the trust of foreign investors. When more investments means we get a lot of money as a tax, and we will use that money in different sectors as medical sectors to improve our economy and to improve the infrastructure of our country.